feel like Riverside because they got some more of the field.
Makes sense. That was close. I was expecting a lot. Oh,
I think that was behind us.
it was continuous lightning and thunder. Of course, it's moving away from us. That's what I said. I wanted to should have brought after. It's just.
We're gonna go as far as Janesville, not too far though.
When we go over the bridge, oh shit.
Oh, when we get over the bridge.
Then we get over the bridge. when I was working in Wiliams for that. We'll be looking north of what would these storms avoid Beloit, man? This is more intense lightning storm. Surprised they ain't called for the continuous power down nightmares continuous. Alright, time I roll. We are technically in Janesville now.
Persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to our weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is the NOAA Weather Radio WWTC in Janesville. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin until 8:45 p.m. It's
roads being closed, bro. It's like the one thing that summer Wisconsin sucks about.
Insane amount of road closures.
His unintention just drove to Janesville for no reason. Oh, what there was to chase a storm, or at least get in the storm. Like the movie into the storm. That lightning was intense, man. That's why I was trying to like either in front of it or just drive up to it so we can get a little bit of that lightning.
Yeah. We're still in it right now. Jeez.
Okay, so this
Did it
road
get extended? Oh! So we have thunderstorm warning for us now. So my weather is about to go off.
Oh, they extended it back to Beloit?
Yeah, it's in Beloit now.
Is it the same storm or just a developing storm?
It's at currently.
No, that's we're in Janesville, so it's
Oh, yeah.
gonna say current location.
I forgot.
Yeah, this warning is it's different. Reminds you of Wiliams, but all these hills. The lightning is intense. This is what we're seeing.
It's Clark Road.
Mount Hornet, Janesville, Cross Plains, Belleville, Clinton, Maysville, Spring Green, Orfordville, Brooklyn, Black Earth.
Just trying to find racing.
www.weather.gov/.
That's racing.
Flood turnaround. Don't travel on any encountering flooded roads.
Oh, you can turn right on this.
National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 453, effective until 1 a.m. Tuesday. This watch includes the following counties: Wisconsin,
Time is 8:23.
Dodge, Green, Iowa, Jefferson, Beloit, Lafayette, Racine, Rock, Saugus, Walworth, and
I want to find somewhere where to stop at. See if we can- Just the one line.
Yeah, they came today.
Thunderstorm. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. for south central Wisconsin. What urban and small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where a portion of south central Wisconsin, including the following counties: Wayne, Green, Iowa, Rock, and Sauk. When until 11:30 p.m. Impacts: minor flooding in low-lying and forward drainage areas. Additional details: 8:17 p.m. National radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorm. This will cause urban and small stream flooding. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are expected over the area. This additional rain will result in minor flooding. Some locations that will experience flooding include western Alaska, Janesville, Beloit, Pittsburgh, Middleton, Thornton, Verona, Oregon, Mount Hood, Evansville, Cross Plains, Cowville, Clinton, Leesville, Laramie, Spring Green, Orfordville, Brooklyn, Black Earth,
Crossing over I-90.
Flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
Gonna avoid I-90 because
Current vehicles.
people don't know how to drive during
Weather
storms.
Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 453, effective until 1 a.m. Tuesday. This watch includes the following counties: in Wisconsin, Columbia, Maine, Dodge, Green, Iowa, Jefferson, Kenosha, Lafayette, Racine, Rock, Sauk, Walworth, and Waukesha, and the following counties: in Illinois, Goodland, Lake, McHenry, Stevenson, and Winnebago, in Windsor Harbor, Little Lake Harbor, Illinois. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for leaders' statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial
Do
radio,
it, Timmy.
and television outlets, or internet
Oh, I didn't see
sources for the
Cobras.
latest severe
I
weather
totally forgot about that Cobras the other day.
This is the
I was like, wait, Janesville got 3 Cobras? I'm like, oh, it's that one.
The severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Rock County is canceled. The storm which prompted the warning has weakened.
Mother Nature, leave Janesville alone.
He's already done with everything.
Therefore,
We're supposed to get some more storms tonight, I think. On heaven.
small hail is still possible with this
Or this
thunderstorm.
might be our storm.
The severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. What urban and small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where a portion of south central Wisconsin, including the following counties: Wayne, Green, Iowa, Rock, and Sauk. When until 11:30 p.m. Impacts: minor flooding in low-lying and forward drainage areas.
Alright, let's stop right here.
Additional details at 8:17 p.m. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms.
Pause your radio. Okay. Thought I heard their sirens for a second. It would definitely be more louder though too. That's the thing. I forgot there's a T-128 over there somewhere. So you drive there, just you keep it up a little bit, unless you're getting wet. Just definitely up lower than this. we're small amateur storm chase. By the way, we do not claim to be storm chasers. I just wanted to drive in a severe storm. So don't do what we doing. I'm just sick and tired of not seeing good storms like these because they just hit Janesville because for some reason Mother Nature got beef with Janesville. Literally. Oh, this class got rain.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Wisconsin has issued a flash flood warning for
That was the first time I've heard a flash flood warning.
Oh, this is
until 11:30 p.m. At 8:30 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 2 and 3.5 inches of rain had fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 1 inch in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Western Madison, Pittsburgh, Verona, Oregon, Mount Hornet, Cross Plains, POI, and Pine Bluff. Turn around. Don't turn when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.
I'm assuming a power must have went out over here. Or a surge happened. Yeah, how long we been recording, brother?
almost 30 minutes, 29:12.
Alright. Probably end it in a second. Since we're in a storm, the lightning is really saying, I'm kind of mad with the getting close lightning streaks. I say that, but it's could be one right there.
Oh, shit.
Spoken into existence.
Hold up.
I spoke it into existence. I spoke it into existence. I'm sorry, Zeus. I'm sorry. I was not familiar with your game. Sorry, Zeus. I was not familiar with your game at all. Alright, I know what's happening right now. Oh, I guess these lights won't flash more at 8:30. That's cool. The only light that goes on flash when I'm awake is downtown one. I'm trying to think, should I turn on Milwaukee? I might turn on Milwaukee. Which is up here. That is the most random quick trip I've ever
Wait, there's a quick trip right here?
You didn't know that?
No.
Yeah, they built this like almost a year ago.
Wait, what?
Random as hell.
I didn't even.
And it's like there's that one, and then you're gonna see another one down the street.
I never knew there was a quick trip right there. I might go there one time.
Yeah, they for some reason they said what's good another one. I don't know why.
Yeah, I know the area with it. I did not even know there was a quick trip right there.
And like I said, it's just random. And then like I said, there's the one on Milwaukee Road later on.